A child's prayer. Welcome to New Story in English. Today I will tell you a very beautiful story. The name of the story is A Child's Prayer. Let's start reading this beautiful story. I was sitting in the mosque after prayer, and a calmness filled the air. At that moment, I noticed a little child next to me, raising his hands and praying to Allah with pure innocence. I heard him say in a clear and sincere voice, "O Lord, please reconcile me and Mahmud, and let us play and enjoy our time together again." His words were simply yet heartfelt, reflecting his genuine desire to reconcile with his friend. I contemplated the words of the young child and marveled at his innocence and unwavering belief in Allah's ability to fulfill his wishes. I decided to engage with him and ask if he truly believed that Allah would respond to his prayer. Approaching him gently, I asked, "Do you believe that Allah will answer your prayer?" The child smiled and replied, "Absolutely. Every time I have a disagreement with one of my friends, I sincerely and honestly pray to Allah, and He responds to me. Thanks to my prayer, we reconcile and become friends again." His words emanated with unwavering faith in Allah's power and mercy. I responded with astonishment, "Can Allah really make you reconcile?" Confidently, the child answered, "Yes, because my father told me that prayer can do anything." When we sincerely seek Allah's help and guidance, He can work miracles in our relationships and bring us together. In that moment, I realized the profound wisdom in the child's words. His pure and simple faith taught me a valuable lesson about the power of prayer and the importance of seeking reconciliation with others. It reminded me that Allah has the ability to answer our prayers, regardless of the challenges we face. Feeling touched by the child's innocence and wisdom, I raised my hands and joined him in prayer, seeking guidance and resolution in my own conflicts. The child remained silent, observing my prayer until I finished. Then, with a compassionate smile, he asked me, "Do you have a problem with someone?" I smiled back and replied, "Yes, I have issues with many people." With utmost assurance, he reassured me, saying, "Don't worry. Allah has time for everything. He can respond to all of us at the same time." My father told me this. In that moment, I felt a gentle warmth in my heart and a renewed sense of hope. The child's simple yet profound advice resonated deeply with me. It reminded me that Allah's mercy and guidance are accessible to all, and that through prayer, we can find solace, forgiveness, and reconciliation in our relationships. As I left the mosque that day, I carried the child's words with me, inspired to seek resolution and extend kindness to those I had conflicts with. I learned the true power of prayer and the beautiful simplicity of a child's faith. The moral: Be consistent in supplicating. Have confidence that Allah is the most generous of the generous and the most merciful of the merciful, and that He is capable of everything and will not disappoint those who call upon Him. The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.